guys, so today I will be showing you a DIY reconstruction slash restorative hair mask that you can use on your hair, especially if you have extremely dry and damaged hair, or if you're battling with thinning ends. And this is especially great to use as well if you just want to have stronger hair just in general to avoid breakage. And also if you guys are following the capillary method as well, you can definitely use this mask.
So these are the components of the reconstruction hair mask. Now I've tried using ingredients that are rich in these elements. So the first ingredient I have here is my keratin hair mask. Now if you don't have this, you can also use mayo, but I really like using keratin based products just because this helps strengthens and repairs damaged hair. Also, keratin works by smoothing down cells that overlap to form your hair strands. The layer of cells called the hair cuticle theoretically absorb the keratin, resulting in hair that looks full and glossy. Now the next ingredient is coconut oil. The vitamins and essential fatty acids naturally found in coconut oil works well to recondition dry and damaged hair because of its molecular structure. And unlike other oils and commercial moisturizer that just sits on the hair, coconut oil actually penetrates the hair shaft. And now the last one is eggs. Now eggs are very rich in protein and biotin, and eggs can provide the much needed nourishment and luster you want in damaged tresses. Eggs also prevent hair breakage by conditioning the scalp and hair, and increases hair growth too. Plus, the cysteine contained in eggs is one of the major reasons for the beneficial effects eggs have on hair strength and appearance. Okay, so for me, I will be using 2 eggs for my long hair, and then I'm gonna go ahead and beat it until it becomes smooth like this, and then I will go ahead and add in 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And then after that, I will add in 2 spoonsful of the keratin treatment and then mix it well until everything is fully combined. Now you want the consistency to look like this. Now this is ready to use. I suggest making just enough because this is best to use fresh, just because its shelf life is short. Now this hair mask is best to use on clean, damp hair, by the way. So my area of concern is just my ends. So I really want my ends to be strengthened to avoid breakage and also split ends. So I'm just going to focus on the mid and the bottom part of my hair. Also, this hair mask is great to do if you're using heat on your hair, which in my case I did so much this year. So I'll make sure that I coat all of my hair very well, and then I will leave that mask on my hair for 15 to 20 minutes max. By the way, you don't need to let this marinate on your hair for a long time. So after 20 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and just wash my hair with water. Now after this, you don't really need to apply conditioner on your hair because it already moisturizes and conditions your hair, and it does make your hair feel soft and smooth after. Also, it gives a nice shiny texture to your hair as well, as you guys can see here. And I actually like this recipe because it does a great job in strengthening your hair, and also at the same time it does not smell pungent at all because of the keratin hair mask that I added in there. Now my problem with adding eggs on my hair masks before is the smell of it, but this one I have no problems with, and my hair is totally loving it.
So that's it, you guys. I hope you all liked this video. And as I said a while ago, if you're doing the capillary method, you could also use this DIY as one of your reconstruction hair masks that you can use on your hair throughout the whole challenge. So that is it, you guys. If you all like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you found this content valuable, please do share it to a friend. And I will see you on my next one. Bye!